Abusia enya ye ka o. Okay enwa TK. Me bro video TK aye kana adwen. Echa Felix Naa Koryoo and NDC for no especially I said in ketia. Efa I try Felix Naa Koryoo be difa Hawa Koomson ho no. O say enu achi no ana Felix Naa Koryoo as be ka sign no okay kana try Ghana for no mo attack no. NDC TikToker TK aye na hi was have a clash with Felix Naa Koryoo. Memo nchirimu no akire wa adwen ama me. E wo comment section. Aye Penyah block media. Meso say ni dem. Obe like video no that my boss subscribe button number click the notification can look latest update na beche the wa adwe the mama e wo comment section message so baso no watch for so anya bi ahwe etenya new statement Mutaka Mohammed Edibai efa election violence happen here in 2024 and the alleged claim by Felix Naa Koryoo chirem say Hawa Koomson and the boys e be attack wo no and the boys amomo bo the boys me luto kwa kumo no you know Mutaka Mohammed e be deny that allegation chirem say Felix Naa Koryoo na nkasa no abedinai wa making you 10 ese bibia sa NC Emma prior to that no enwa TK ebeke kanadwe kire you know Naa Koryoo say eti de be pan no ye ne sa no ba be say na wo ye sa ene won twan na or just one tap right after that no an attack as about TK so union NDC for so mun tia that into TK e attack ono ankasa ne party leaders and then you mu betwa ball no enwa ana Felix Naa Koryoo si be ye press conference and was like kana kire Ghana for be kan ho esen some Mutaka Mohammed kind no bia no do gina Hawa Koomson and the boys abe body two and then the only abe shoot in the car elku the boys mienu e fa no gina but when timi so for mudia betudwa nipa boys to no mawu na when time for mudia antudwa one yen ana unimi nyina dia dance say after the 24 election yen call obi aye ala say antis aye bi e koso aye no eye enipa bia omu ye during the election yen ti aye bi sa Felix Naa Koryoo ntimi fa din bia mechire when ntimi fa picture bia mechire esen kofo mu nenya bo mutu akun won tefa bia mechire etina so na eye daye mu anan fa na oka sa so kan na ebusua TK ekoko apai bi wasa be kana adwen ache Felix Naa Koryoo
na say abrantia ba ko kana na wato na nanom e won tie do na ba ko ka ho susu aprapra ani eye nyan no eno wa e da so won wo Naa Koryoo e wo mention honorable good evening.
Good evening.
Honorable, and then now cause we to say is
anyway, the na asepa na the center metroaba a step to Christ polling center. Omoye ahekaina bisune ko witness CBT we ya no minister other centers are omo put things together. It's me free step to Christ on and I me who say VHB I trust my official car use that can no me use for over 1 year ni a party car use it's a V8 ni HAC ya car na me call for and a car na enwani say you say in conformity sa V8 car ni mo no o ma start say o mu tututu ye ke yen ko from ye nu je o mo da fam kra omoda for me tie na ka aswa yante asempa na ye ni results are a free each of the polling center eba say ye di nkudi say Naa Koryoo e di nkunim say NDC e di nkunim e wa aswa
etiefo me pese video e koma NDC fo emeburu na omo app yi so na masama me kan no o ma tag me kire se me nye NDC ni papa na me MPP ni muntie ne dika me mama ya wo ese me kwasi twiru akodua am ya sade ne hie me kan no kure sa ko itama mewu me ma me kura ye boni kura me kan nanim enya mo se me ye MPP ni se me nye MPP ni mo mo asem be no kura meka mo video ya mi nua ba ya eye honorable Felix Naa Koryoo mi akase mi MP o kase esi wo 2024 na say ya wan ya mai o kase na o tieti so se obi a wonya asma no mu musa no that time na o ye interview na me ye die tu a kire me so se mi free police station where dey enko mu tie bi awo Hawa Koomson onu ankasa ni area ya to about any police station Hawa Koomson the video is there. Maybe video na chere mo me video ba betudwa na me share eye camouflage t-shirt. Je for na interview me. Maami we a Koomson a frɛ reinforcement sɛ me yɛmɛta me nkɔna me kɔ so trouble ɛni timi nua ban sɛ mo okay ɛyɛ nsɛm a ɔno ankasa afa n'ani a ɔde n'ani kɔtwa ma sɛ hu yɛ ɛna ɔde adudwa ɔna bu films na akɔ yɔ n'anum asɛm right sanka mi di n'anum asɛm akyi a ankɛnɛ ma yɛ sɛ mi mpɛduasa funura muntie o kan hu sɛ mi nyinaa no a wɔte so sɛ sɛbi mpɛduasa obi a asma wɔrɔ so o yɛre asma ɛnɛ sɛ mutie video yi na mo bɛka kyerɛ sɛ mi tk me yɛ pipi ni amagye atum I don't give a damn moya wadwe sɛ nokora deɛ mopɛ sɛ mobɛtie agye bɔne maame ne ɛfɛ na Hawa Koomson no hɔ na anim sɛ sɛbi mpɛduasa ɛnneɛma a sɛbi wɔyɛ tiatia nkurɔfoɔ so wɔ kaa so a ɛdɔɔso ade ne yɛ public domain the whole Ghana the whole world obiara bɔ maame yi so boɔ motie mi o yɛ maame Hawa Koomson me ɛnam yɛn pii so me sopa no ama sɛbi maame no nya ne bɔne da o montie mi yie sɛ politics na mo yɛ no sɛ mo yɛ fa no kura ɛni anim a ɛbɛduru baabi no no politician will tell anybody something that the person will listen na ne ɔyɛ nyasisi a wo kan a ne ye interview because nhwɛmu aba ama sɛbi ye busa o sɛ maame asɛm a bɛda hɔ nie oje mo say wo say you wasn't there who knew open assassin there esi here eti wo video ya sɛbi mpɛduasa wo di atudwan ɛyɛ hwan ɛna na ɛkasa films na akɔyɔ hwan na ɛkasa ɛno na me hu sɛ daabi ɛnneɛma sɛbi mpɛduasa me di Hawa Koomson no me di ne korɛ sɛbi pa maame no kyɔw bɛsɛ NDC mmaburu agyina app yi so support me dia ɛnɛ wa hwɛ yɛ asɛm a mɛka no ɛdɔso sisi me kama kyerɛ mo mutie me ye me so bia o I was born in Bemaka me so yɛ niba eteme no so di to kyerɛ me so a o problem I just say you out dodge at the bomb I swear God ɛnɛ yɛ ka no kwa wɔ NDC mu a mo se mo mpɛ pipi nyɛ mo yɛ na sɛbi ɛmo competition no ɛno abi na mo pɛ sɛ yɛ dia a ɛne ne kure nie mo wasɛm bɔ ne pɔ ɔno MP na sɛbi na ɔyɛ victim no a ɔka no kure no ato wɔ no ɛnɛ wasada na no sɛ sɛbi ɔno de oni mo hwie enti mi na sɛbi mi di na chi na ɛnsɛm a no okay na mi di abufuo ɛba ase ni hɔ ɛba ɛsɛ bia mesu mi bɛɛ dɛ ɛbɛ kontɔkɔ a like a dead neighbor because the no more sem no and the ginger eye NDC youth no semeti wo see ya bome maame MP ya hye ne car ya bu ni profo to ebi awu a na me hu a okusi a me nya ne dai se ma twetwo so kora me di na tema masa bi peduasa e be gide sem enu adwuma na ne ye no enti ende se mutaka minister interior minister e de se ma betudwa aka me hu se aka maame as a MP kawanutum akan kasa mi nim ne ehye kese mi nim ne pushi maami man be no ka se sebe oni hobi na oni hobi dia na mi na sebe peduasa mi video da monte se me dia Hawa Koomson atem no se be kopa no cho because nya me fight man kwa no oni ni huni na me ma be mi hu abi enti ene mi video ya mi ye NDC fontie ni ye the supporter of the NDC mutie ni ye se sebe we so one man kura ni wanyim na wo sesebe wo dia politics na abeye I can't try to grow for so dia be I will never accept it and I will never do it sisi ya Flemish Naa Koryoo man who say me a useless man me nim nyansa ana me bedi nachi e ma 7 previous na ke bebo mitu akumi muni ma dia ba ko say NDC minister Efra Bonten eye hwehwemu beka che Ghana fo nyina se onim nyia koso wo hwia na kyerema dia bi etina ensema ne ye ka egu Hawa Koomson so no na nya ne kure se nya ne kure dia mi busa eye intina minister se 2020 ni so asema osi ye no so eno so no ehun result wey papa Fabra Bonten anya sa mejima di se 7 peduasa eniema we no bibi hyase madi ka Hawa Koomson Jordan no me twen sign da anya me twen sign say the problem be baby no me twen sign because I honorable for this Naa Koryoo no masem na me dey the video no because a bad thing one was say obi a me NDC ni na me di me apiachi na niema sebe maame Hawa Koomson tietia yen a ye bonu so no ne asu edi fane no ele ono kire se sebe enema si ya no no ati wa o kana no mu nsem no sebe peduasa ene ye busan wo TV3 na se station bi busan na o se ono no na oni wo bi na sa de ni si ye omo atwe omo no ye ko busa omo ha na wo NDC ni brother NDC ni TikToker wo ba ka chem se bi MPP ni accept it maji mi fu so atu maji mi MPP na mi maji atu ba mun kan hu se sama ye bi no ye start say ye campaign ama NDC ni ye Mahama no na ye nya ya de say mu bi nyama de say bi president mo ba bonta be kasa kire ye NDC mo be kasa kire ye Mahama mo be kasa ma fa ne ho mo be ka enyama e be ma party na gina na mu nim sa de ma ne ye me I started supporting ye John Dramani Mahama and the NDC 2016 when the MP before a power pack 2 months time and I mean because the ye Mahama chi estatical radio show TV so enti na no samuti wo na mo se sabi previous me ya MPP ni a no problem me no mu nya chinye bia because sabi political party na adwane no ye mfalete ane ekodwane wo ane enkotua sika enti se no samuti me ya MPP ni a adwobro eye mafa me ho adwene be mo mu kan hu se ade e de ye obi no obi so di be de ebedi mo Samoya Madi Samu Yan can correct. You see, sometimes no, I'm on phone, see the way I'm here, points I say. Me, Sammy Penyah, MPP time. Me Yama Jumao, me I meet to be support to party and Kata. It's a way, won't go for such a become me did that hop, and then drop. Still cry, no, you have 1 for 4. So we end this, now what we say, Pedro be yet. Now, when they will move to politician, who they are, and you always be able, they will make sure say, "Wo obey pasia." Fine, a fine now fat, but fine shall we say you are doing politics because of money. Me too way, Muslim and never be ashamed. That's the reason why here 7 previous, 7 sorry, Muslim in Yashi. A people say, "Tike, Yamashi, and it also let here a year, Yamami for this Naa Koryoo." Someone come on one tomorrow. And someone may be you know, a bed some, the Kamachilamo. Someone come on one to my fat and bra, and in the credit, I near Juma will call me as a politician. Maybe I may a dear men penetrate on my brabum. Yet the castle, and a year of Mahama back at Sua market. Ever car say, see a share, let's say, Yayamu, let's say, Yamame, our Koomson. Adie can end the crowd, and we jam raso. You were something that the same thing. Mustafa, me boss, Mustafa me. Right? Mustafa, the General Secretary, Ebeka said, Deputy General Secretary Ebeka said, this Babem, a Quabiaso, our Koomson, the big jam ramo. Yami Beka the same thing. And Tiana, say, NDC Nagasa. A minister, interior minister Mutaka, Abedina Waka Chegana Force, Yayushimu. Abraham said, and near my course in Nan, if I were putting Nano, a young crowd. Who am I? I said, some did a good point into the good poor mamma and the Apache into them. Near the cover, my men on, and some back, number patrol. I don't know what to ask the idea. Would you move from Jimmy and now, number politicians, and Nadamus, our woman happy in Nadamu. The we are no 7 previous, no politician are 7 previous. Who are Obajonqua, make a match. I am on 14 area, make a salon. Me, who you may mammy, now who deal with me. No one money quite idea, maybe you talk. Salamity, who come a Muslim Musa, a walk. We are mean here, 1 money because with him, make clear name Pebble. Me name the reason why to be a politician. I don't know the reason why. Because me. Bekra and Pebble, and near and 7 go on, and 7 go a personal. si yekasi ye yiri baako a e kire se ye den ye dwa pisa ego paso obi ayi bidi se NDC for you to know NDC for TikTok bloggers no se mo bedi mulai mo mundi mulai mu because sabe meti wono minita ku majese bo afro bi ho me ka ba kire mo enti mo se ma mo keka se ye ma ne hwe na sabe pedu asa NDC ye ma pa wa na me didi o na NDC for kra bi wa me bo ha mo enti me no amount of anything that you people sell amen metuma no abo from say Hawa Koomson me pa no chono message na wa pa no chobi because no kori na da ho enti mo abugo video ni tia bo mo say MP we ya wutu se MP aya fresh Naa Koryoo so deserve say ese to abama ni biemu a monka because ye NDC fonti no me ya ka kwa ye NDC fonti no me ya ka kwa ade na MP petition na entro ani sabi basa da MP before edi ye na Ghana for to obati enu bi na mo process na dia anya nukure ni anya dwuma mitike maka na kura no mo party no mo ka jam sabi nye NDC ni me pa my NDC pedi bia ka jam sabi nye NDC ni ho na mo say yes meko o de srash yet your memu ya masabi predecessor o ma Ghana ufrifie na u pia bonti a what is your uboduro so be foka no na hu na ifi u di fi na baba wo dem ya kwa na ye bae yet your ma Ghana mo before so be frifie akofoka no na u di fi efrifie ana e de eba wo dem what is your hu kwaduma na so u ba wo di fi na eba wo dem ene Ghana ni we NDC we supported you before you came to power. NDC ya boni a mumi yenka. MPD ya boni a mumi yenka. Buti wono mu Sam Georgia oye Minister of State ana oye minister no. Ye nya TikTok bloggers. NDC for aso pano amene ebi pacho. Sam Georgia oye minister Yewra Mahamadi tumi ahye ne sano. Mo se mo ntia se akofa nkrofobia mo MPP for. Enu no asem no Mudi papa yatam edi sabdo yatam sa because won pen the clear and then me hu say bi mu de esa pacho mo pa mo group mo 20 times na mo ni matam me say 1,000 mo hu say me for telephone for obi da mo hu say me for telephone a friend TikTok blogger bi say and my friend is be blogger I will never because mo nya madam for say ni social media so akobi kra no to manu ka du okra me ne kasada and the NDC and go do a problem who come in Cassandra. You will come here, you want your Pierre Stadium, ever to find NDC and piece of more parliament so on kind. Yet to come here, a Pierre Stadium, ever cast some money for MPC. Oh, Ghana, want to be a Mahoa, and can ask him. Mamma, damn me. No kind of macaro. So pay tea, pay jai, and family. Opa montagim na monyame but no kwenu one day e be dedi ene ma ekoso constituency wono e profa komanto wo ye MP what me abetira so wo ba ye wo de ntokwa Matthew Macau mini we nkasa ene o do akofama bo nkasa de wakodi wo ko trace si wo so ene Ghana for be jeje aka no kwenu abia wu se wo from Naa Koryoo wo ye obi a say Ghana for Kaso for to abama obi o ma yeseke MPD a etoje wala na wie me da ma se
kire wa adwe ma me e wo comment section aha Penyah Block Media aka